Welcome to the Blue Lagoon Tippler Loft. A few little supplements that I just purchased from Foy's Pet Supply. And here's a little update on the birds. Little pair, little grizzle, little blue grizzle, and a little mottle. They got together on their own, so I'm gonna let them go one round and see what their babies look like. But I got a nice little cock for that little white mottle that looks just like him. So I'm gonna probably put him on her. And just purchased some new plastic feeders for water and feed from Foy's. Black City Tippler told me to try some of this plastic. He said the metal rust out quick. So I'm gonna go with the plastic and give it a shot and see what it do. Shout outs to Black City Tippler. Giving me a lot of good advice. Appreciate you. Little pair right here, sitting on eggs. Hey, you can see the little eggs down there. Okay, I'm not gonna bother you guys. And I got another little hen down there. That's not the cock there. That's another little one. But I got a little grizzle down there. That's the hen. And it's a cock, look just like them. They're sitting on eggs. Should be ready to hatch now, so I'm not gonna mess with her. I think this is about the 17th day. So they should be ready to go anytime now. Little update on this loft right here. I'm gonna take all of these boxes out and I'm gonna have nothing in here but perch. And I'm gonna kinda do a little work in here once I get everything once I get the birds moved to the other side. Come back over here and do some finish up touches that I talked about in the last video. But this is what we got so far. Little short video. And appreciate you watching. Please like, subscribe. Choice is always yours. And thanks for coming into the Blue Lagoon Tippler Loft. Thank you.